Guys, Nobo's 12 here. Today we have a 38-inch Fasco Spartan ceiling fan. I'm gonna do a quick video of it. Start it off on low speed. This fan's very interesting as the pull chain does two speeds. The first pull, the control does about low to medium. The second pull, it does, I think it's supposed to do medium to high, but it's more like high to high, so, I mean, maybe that needs adjusted, but here's the lowest it can go. I'm not doing a camera, or I'm not using a tripod right now, so this is just a quick video, because I think I'm going to put my 4-seasons back up real quick. Use that for a little bit. I mean, I love this. I'll probably put it back up afterwards. It's just to test the 4-seasons, you know. It's about medium or medium low-ish. A little bit faster. I'll go to medium high. Just control all the way down. Pull the chain. And I'd say this is high-low and high-high. There's not really a difference. This fan's very nice. As you can see, I put it on a box because of its clearance and everything, but it's alright, so. It has a lever switch. It's low. Anyway, the reverse switch on this fan is up here. I guess I can do a demo of real quick on high speed. It's whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching.